everyone, this is Ethan from Urban Agents. What I have for you today is a 5-room flat in Block 6, Lorong 7, Toa Payoh. Toa Payoh estate is one of the oldest estates in Singapore, but the unit that I have is only about 22 years old, so we still have a relatively healthy lease left. This unit is 1,292 square feet, and the best thing is it's a point block, so you only have 3 other neighbors on the same floor. This 5-room flat comes with a yard area, a store area, 2 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, and a study area. Okay, right as we enter this unit, this is where the store is. Okay, it's well hidden behind this beautiful panel, which is also matching to the shoe cabinets over here. And as you can see, there's a lot more space for you to build your own shoe cabinets. Here we are at the living room. Okay, as you can see, it's very wide and spacious. And what's more important is that it has a lot of natural light coming in from the window. What I like about this house is that it has a very simplistic and clean design, yet it's very comfortable. And there's parquet flooring on all the bedrooms, the dining area, and also some part of the living room. Okay, coming to this area, this used to be the balcony. And the owner has sort of enclosed this area so you can fully utilize this space. What's interesting is that owner has created this wooden platform where you can use it to store stuff below. And you know, when you're entertaining your guests, you can probably put some cushion or futon bed over where they can just sit here and chill. For parents with kids, right, I think this area is fantastic because you can just place them here for their nap time and you can continue to do your stuff in the living room. Okay, here we are at the dining area, but on the floor plan itself, this is a designated study area. So if you ever need an additional bedroom, you can convert this into your 4th bedroom. And I must say the size is very decent too. Okay, here we are at the kitchen area. As you can see, the owner has taken down the wall of the kitchen. So, you know, it's actually easier to communicate with people between the kitchen, the living room, and the dining area. But by taking down this wall, it also facilitates better airflow because the kitchen and dining area is facing the south and the kitchen is facing the north. So, you know, when you have airflow from north to south and south to north, it promotes better ventilation in the kitchen. Okay, one thing to note also, when the wall is taken down, there's actually a lot more light coming in from the living room. For me, I think it's good because it makes me less claustrophobic when I'm in the kitchen. So let's move on to the yard. Okay, right at the back of the kitchen, we have this yard area. Or, you know, if you look at the floor plan itself, it's indicated as service balcony. But regardless, this is quite a sizable area where, you know, you can do your laundry. This is where they place their washing machine and, you know, all these posts for you to hang dry your clothes. But of course, if you have a lot more stuff that you need to store, you can also store it over here. Okay, this is the common bathroom. This bathroom has got 2 entrances. One is from the yard area, which I've shown you earlier, and one is from the living room. As you can see, this bathroom is very well maintained. Let's move on to the common bedroom. Okay, here we are at the first common bedroom, and this is also where the owner's daughter is staying. This room itself is squarish in shape, and it's very sizable. And there's also additional storage space just right below the window. The owner has placed a single-size bed and also a study table just right beside. But if you want to place a queen-size bed, don't worry about it. There's more than enough space for that. As for the wardrobe, we have a very sizable wardrobe just facing the bed itself. Okay, this wardrobe is 2 panels and 2 huge panels. And beside this wardrobe, we get 2 additional storage areas for you to place your stuff. Okay, here we are in the second common bedroom. Okay, this bedroom size is also quite spacious and it's also squarish in shape. Right now, the owner is using it as a study room, so there isn't any bed over here. But if you want to place a queen-size bed, I would say there's no issue at all. Okay, there's still a lot more space to walk around. So even though this is a study room, we still have a wardrobe over here and we have some cabinets over here. So there's quite a lot of storage. But if you want more storage, there's also additional storage space under the window itself. Okay, so now let's move on to the master bedroom. Okay, here we are at the master bedroom and it comes with an ensuite bath. You must have a look at the ensuite bath, it's really well maintained. Okay, another thing is that this master bedroom is really spacious. Right here, we have our king size bed and we still have a lot more space to walk around. But what I love most about this bedroom is that owner has constructed a mini walk-in wardrobe, which is really well hidden. Okay, I bet you'll love it. Okay, there's a few points that I need to highlight about this location. For drivers, we are very near to CTE and PIE. In terms of food and groceries, we have 2 hawker centers just within walking distance. And we also have a Sheng Siong supermarket in Block 4 itself. For primary schools, I think the parents will be delighted because just within 1 km from this block, we have Pei Chun Public School. And this school is one of the top primary schools in Singapore. And within 2 km itself, we have some other good primary schools like Hong Wen Primary School, Kuo Chuan Presbyterian Primary School, CHIJ Toa Payoh, St. Andrews Junior, and Yangzheng Primary School. And for parents who are sending their kids to preschool, we have one preschool just down below the block. So you see, we can pretty much get everything in this area itself. Okay, just to do a recap, this unit is situated in Block 6, Lorong 7, Toa Payoh. This is a 5-room flat at 1,292 square feet and we've leased starting from 1998. My name is Ethan from Urban Agents. If you'd like to see this unit, do give me a call. And if you'd like to see more of such videos, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.